Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. We are trend Connie figure scene after she was seen dancing with Maliki over a birthday celebration yakhe. So beka hlanganisa minyaka again ukhona figure scene she was turning 55 kanti bekende iphathinyana la bekunema celebrities khona nemndeni wakhe. It was something just into lencane. It wasn't like really big yabo. So people were there. Lo beka phakathi kwalabantu futhi lesimbonile kakhulu nguye uMalik Yoba, and he was dancing with ukhona Ferguson, and people are saying ukuthi khona into eshaya amanzi here, something is beating at the water. Why laba boyithona bahlale together? Yes, we know ukuthi bathi bona they are friends, but it seems like they are more than friends because baze bakhozi also. People are saying ukuthi baze bakhozi for being just friends, or baze bathukozi baze banamathelana. And siyati ukuthi the two are always together, like in most pictures bahlezi ba together. Not so long ago, I think last week beku primarisha season 3 with Kings of Joburg, and the guy was there taking pictures with Ugele yabo bakhozi vele as usual. So people are saying ukuthi khona into ebitha amanzi here. People are saying ukuthi the two are in a relationship but just nje bayasifihlela. Some people are even saying ukuthi asikujudge nawe, you deserve to be happy, nawe you deserve love, or asikujudge wasabi thina ngeke size sikujudge. So people are saying ukuthi just open up man, if niyajola on badala and thine asinijudge and is happy for wena because thine sihlezi sifuna ukubona uhappy. Guys, ukhona Ferguson was turning 55 but she looks like really young. She doesn't look her age. You'd swear ukuthi she's 18 ndlela amuhle ngakhona yabo. Staying fit and having money kuyakwenta still like ubukeka umncane. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I am signing out. Goodbye.